Okay, just finished a contact with Sierra 52 Whiskey in the mobile, HF mobile here. And got an amazing QSL card. Just wanted to show you the fun of QSL card collecting. From Whiskey 5 Bravo Mike Charlie. Bayouland Emergency Amateur Radio Service, The Bears, Morgan City, Louisiana. It was for Lighthouse Weekend 2024. Worked the Southwest Reef Lighthouse, US-0176. Sent me this nice card. Made the contact in August of 2024. And in addition to that, that was just the card. I'm letting you could freeze it and take a look at it. In addition to that, they sent me a letter that they received from the mayor of the town of Berwick to all ham radio operators recognizing their event. In addition to that, they sent me some literature of Berwick's Heritage Museum, a guide to the Cajun Coast, Morgan City, Franklin, Berwick, Patterson, Baldwin, and Chariton, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, the Cajun Coast, Louisiana, and a nice card explaining the lighthouse itself, Historic Southwest Reef Lighthouse, Berwick, Louisiana. Hats off to those guys, the Bears, for sending such an amazing QSL card collection. I can't even call it just a QSL card. So hats off to W5BMC for sending such a nice QSL card collection here, for making the contact in Lighthouse Weekend 2024. This is part of the fun of amateur radio, is completing the contact with a QSL card, and they went above and beyond. Comment below, like and subscribe for future videos of ham radio on the go. Thanks for watching. Check the description and we'll catch you on the next video. 7-3.